Log in with your ConnectFacts ID. This is what your Connect Monitor dashboard will look like. As the name suggests, Connect Monitor helps the user to monitor the data he or she is responsible for. It is end-to-end, real-time and allows the user to keep an eye on the OEE of your manufacturing unit. Select the line insights to access machine or equipment-based data. It allows you to select month-wise, date-wise, or any custom period range to get analytics. As you move through, each line details can be further drilled down to the planned and unplanned reasons. And based on the planned and unplanned reasons we can see the data of each sub-reason and its occurrence, how many machines have been impacted. For example, the availability loss and reasons shows you detailed insights into the frequency and number of times your machines or lines were affected. Ensure to take action for any breakdown, machine inefficiency or errors in real time with the help of Connect Monitor. Start your free trial today.